In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in Stirling PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open your PDF inside Stirling PDF, and then over here on the right, you can see under recommended tools, you have the PDF text editor. So if you want to edit your PDF, click on that. It's going to start loading and basically converting and uploading in here. And then when it's done, click on got it, and there we go. You can start editing your PDF. So you can click inside any of the text boxes. You can add some text. You can go and change it. You could go and highlight it, press Ctrl B to make it bold, etc. And that way you can essentially edit your PDF contents, okay? Just don't forget to save changes down here at the bottom right whenever you're done. And of course, you have the advanced settings, which allow you to change text grouping modes, fonts, etc. Okay, so I'm going to click on apply right now, and there we go. It's going to apply my changes. Now, if you want to edit PDFs, you could also use different tools over here, like for example, the redact tool, which is going to allow you to redact things over here. You could go and mark things for redaction and then redact them over here. You can redact specific words. You could do automatic or manual redaction over here, where you can highlight like this, save changes, and you are good to go. You also have things like signs over here, so we can basically sign it. You can timestamp it. You can do whatever you want. You can set passwords, watermarks. You can flatten it, sanitize. There's a bunch of different things you can do. And of course, if you scroll down, there's going to be more tools you can use, and all of them are going to be pretty self-explanatory. Now, of course, if you want to edit your PDF, I assumed you actually wanted to use this tool over here. That's why I focused on this basically PDF text editor, but that's essentially how you can do it, and there's a bunch of things you can achieve. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.